Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to draw a ghost carrying a pumpkin. I'm going to be using a marker on top of marker paper, but you guys can color and draw with whatever you guys have around the house. Let's get started. I'm actually going to start at the bottom of the paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this line curve up and come back down just to have the basic outline of the ghost. So we're going to go from here, curve at the top where the head should be, and I'm going to come back down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to curve at the bottom of this line. I'm going to curve a line coming inwards. I'm going to choose a starting point, and this is going to show the ghost has depth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to come down like that. Now at the bottom of this line, I'm going to actually bring it in and kind of make it wavy. And I'm going to come back up. And to finish off the ghost, I'm going to start at the bottom of this line and I'm going to bring the line in. The ghost is going to have an arm to be carrying a pumpkin basket. So let's draw an arm. And this curve is going to represent the hand where it's carrying the bucket. And we're going to go like this. Let's add some details to the ghost. I'm going to do a line here. I'm going to do a line here. And we'll do a line here. And you know, we'll do two curved lines here. Let's give the ghost some facial features. Let's draw some eyes, like a circular eye or an oval eye. And let's give the ghost a smile. And we're going to fill in the eyes here. For the bucket, we're going to do a curved line for the handle here and a curved line for a handle there. And we're going to draw the pumpkin. We'll do one big arch, a curved line, another big arch, and another curved line. So here you could get creative like my last video, and you can draw whatever face you guys want on the pumpkin. I'm going to do, let's say we'll do kind of half oval eyes. I'm going to do a goofy smile on him. We'll give him only 2 teeth. And we're going to close off the bottom of the mouth, and we're going to fill this portion in. And we're going to give the pumpkin some detail by adding some lines like we did in the last video. There. So now I'm going to actually color this in. Feel free to pause it whenever you guys want and use my photo for reference or make it look any way you want. So let's speed this part up. And there's my ghost carrying a pumpkin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe so I could keep making videos. And I'll catch you guys next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.